Hi everyone, welcome from Acumen Accounting. So this video for all of those who are looking to reduce or how to pay less tax on your income. So as we know, there's different tax brackets in different countries. It depends where you live. So for example, in the UK, if your income is about £12,570, you pay zero tax. But between 12,570 to 50,270, you pay 20%. And then above the 50,270, you pay 40% tax. And once you go over 125, you pay 45%. So these are different tax brackets. So what people think is, for example, I met somebody, he said, I'm not going to take a pay increase because I'm going to go into the high tax bracket, and I'll probably be ending up paying a lot more tax what I'm paying now. But he was basically just a bit confused and misunderstand the tax rules. The 40% is not on the whole amount of the income. The tax is basically breaking down on all these tax brackets. So if you are an employee and you're thinking of having a pay increase, please remember that 40% is above when you reach above the £50,270. So that's where that increase is kicked in. So different tax brackets are for different people. And when people say how they can reduce and how they can pay less tax, is to basically, you can opt into a pension scheme. Pension scheme is introduced by the government, a long time ago now. It's all in the private companies now. It used to be just for people who are working for like a fire brigade or NHS, but now it's all in the private sector. So you can increase your pension into your wage, so that basically reduce your tax. For example, if you pay £5,000 towards your pension pot in a year, and if your income is say £60,000, so your taxable income is £55,000, not a £60,000. So that pension contribution you are putting into a pension pot is basically reducing your tax. So that will reduce your taxable income. So that's one of the things you can think about. The only downside of putting into the pension is basically you can't touch that money until you retired. So because that money is for your retirement, so you can't just simply go and have access to that fund. So you can only access when you retire, or you're planning to buy a property from your pension fund. So these are just the drawbacks, but of course, the pension is pension. So that's for later in your age when you're planning to get retired. That's one of the things. So if you have a business and you have a limited company, different rule applies, and how you can save taxes. If you, for example, buying a company car, of course, that will reduce your tax liability in your corporation tax through the capital allowances. Any plant and machinery, that reduce your taxable income, even though you have that same level of profit. But these money you have spent it on like a capital investment, this reduce your tax liability. So different rules apply to different type of taxes, because the taxes are kind of a very specialized area. So if you think you need to get some expert advice, you can simply go to our website and book a free appointment, and we'll happy to talk to you and give you more heads up on how you can reduce your taxes and how you can pay less taxes legally. So there are different rules in different type of things. Some companies who probably be cash rich and then making too much money, we always advise them, don't cash out all the funds, because you as a director or the owner of the limited company, you can take out money as a dividends. And dividends, you pay again tax on it. But if you don't need that money, just leave it in the company, and you can do different investments. Or if you want to buy even properties, just buy on company's name. So there's so many different things we can do, and we can advise you. So as an accountant, this is my advice to you. Must speak to a professional when it comes to the money matters. It's no harm asking questions. If you have any question, any query, you can leave a comment at the bottom of this video, or you can just simply send us a private message and somebody from our team will get back to you. This is very important. Just don't kind of just go with the flow or listen to your random friends who probably don't have any clue. So feel free and get in touch. We always here to help you. You can book a free appointment up to 60 minutes. Just simply go to our website and you can just put your details and we'll get the confirmation of your appointment and we'll get in touch with yourself. Again, thank you for listening us. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye for now.